Elevate your laundry routine with the Equator's SDC 760 Smart Dry Closet. Here's everything you need to know about installation and getting started. Place the unit indoors in a dry, well-ventilated area away from heat, high humidity, or cold. Ensure it's on a flat, level surface and adjust the feet for stability. Plug into a dedicated, grounded 110 volts outlet. Verify plug and cable safety and ensure easy access to the plug. Clean the interior and exterior with a soft, damp cloth before first use. The Equator Steam Dryer Closet prevents and removes wrinkles, eliminating the need for ironing. Dry, steam, and sterilize garments like pants, shirts, scarves. Fill the water tank at the base before each cycle. No plumbing is required. The combination of steam and UV light sanitizes your clothes, eliminating germs and odors. Avoid using it for shoes, fur, leather, sprayed fabrics, or plastics. Enjoy professional quality, wrinkle-free clothes at home with the Equator SDC 760.